Guys, welcome to Try It On, and this time we are going to learn how to install LDD on Mac, PC or Windows as you call it. So first we are going to just search a normal link for LDD. So just search it, and I have put the link down in the description. So let's go here. LDD lego.com. So this is the main page. So they don't allow the 4.310 version anymore, but you can install it. So just go on download, and if you want it for Mac you could just click here, and if you want it for PC you can just click here. So I'll just put it download now. So just going through the process, save file, and it is downloading. Okay, I'll just anyways tell you more about it. So LDD is a free software which Lego has created, so you can just create your own virtual models, so you don't have the problem of pieces there. And one important thing was that earlier you could order your models from LDD, but you cannot do that anymore. Yes, so anyways, this is quite a good program and you can do many things with it. Okay, so I hope it is downloaded. Yes, so let's just do the setup now. Let's go through it. So it is just unzipping the LDD setup, and let's wait for it. Launching the installer. Okay, so there it goes. So let's just click on next, blah blah blah. You don't have to read this because there is not much anything important. Just clicking on next. So yes, I want these, so next. I think we're pretty good. So yeah, this is finished right now. So it will automatically run the Lego Digital Designer. Just click on finish and it should appear any minute right now. So this is the start screen, and this is your main screen. So you can just do 3 of these things, and these are your files if you have previously created anything for the new build and from the file thingy. So if you want any more tutorials I am doing on that and special tips, so you can just go to my other videos and see what I'm doing. That's all. Try it out. Signing out.